Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'd like to show you how to make, let's see, what am I going to call it? Garlic steak, peppers, and onions. Garlic steak, peppers, and onions. Okay? Alright, so let's get started. 1 second. Okay, so I have some olive oil in the frying pan here. If I can turn your attention to there. There we go. Okay, and I'm going to season the steak that I cut up in strips. This is round steak that I cut up into strips with my Grandma Ray special seasonings that I haven't released yet. So I just want to season it up, the meat up with that. I'm going to put some more on and make sure it's on all the meat. Okay, and I have 1 medium onion. Put that in there. And I have 1 red pepper and 1 green pepper. I'm going to put that in there. Now I'm going to put my seasonings on the onions and pepper. And let me just wash my hands. Now I want to put the garlic directly onto the meat. The garlic is the star of the day. So I'm using a half a tablespoon. I'm just going to mix that in. Okay. Now I just want to put some olive oil on top of the vegetables. And we're going to just stir fry these vegetables. Okay. Okay, I put a top on that, and we're just going to let that cook for about maybe 8 minutes or so, okay? And then I'll take the vegetables out, and I'm going to add the meat. So we'll give it 8 minutes. We'll be back in 8 minutes. Okay, so our vegetables have been cooking for about 8 minutes. Let me let you see that. Okay, so they're done enough. You don't need to overcook vegetables. Okay, you see the brownness on the bottom of the frying pan? We're going to leave that. That's the flavoring that we want to flavor the beef, okay? So we're going to put this back on the stove. We're going to put some olive oil in the bottom of the pan. Now we're going to drop our garlic steak in. Give it a little oil on the top because of the garlic. There we go. steak right over that part that looked like it was burnt in the bottom of the frying pan to pick up that flavor. Okay, let's put the top on for a few minutes, just a few. Okay. I'm going to turn it. We're only going to cook it another 2 minutes. Let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day. Just think of that. The word. We speak words all day long. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're bad, sometimes they're positive, sometimes they're mean, hateful, sometimes they're swears, sometimes they're biblical. We speak words all day long. But I'll tell you, the words that really, really count are the ones after you speak, you feel good about. So if you say some swears and that goes to your conscience and it's kind of bothering you, then I wouldn't speak those words, okay? Your words count. Your words mean everything to you and to someone else. Keep your words clean and encouraging. The word of the day. Thanks. Okay, so let's check on our steak. Oh yeah. So we've been cooking the steak for about a total of 4 minutes. We're going to add our, let me turn the camera back. There we go. We're going to add our peppers and onions back in the frying pan. Oh wow, look at that. That looks awesome, guys. Awesome. Okay. I'm going to cut the fire off. That's done. Okay, so I'm going to heat up some rice that I had the other night. I made some rice and beans. So I'm going to heat that up in the microwave on a minute or so. Okay, so what'd you think about that, guys? That was really, really, really fast. Okay, so you can imagine you come home and you need to have dinner done. And also what that did was I had, I think it was 3 small ribeye steaks, okay? Very small, about maybe that big. And I cut it up and add the onions and the 2 peppers, and you can see how that made that whole meal grow, okay? You couldn't feed 4 people with 3 small steaks, but now you can feed 4 people with this steak, the garlic steak and peppers and onion combination. You see? How about that, huh? Let me put that in a dish and show you. Here's the garlic, steak, peppers, and onions. Take a look at that, guys. Whoa. Okay. Let me get a thumbnail. How about that? Huh? Garlic, pepper, steak, and onions. My, my, my. garlic steak, pepper and onions. Okay, so I have some beans and rice that I cooked the other night. Just gonna put this over here. Wow. Okay, guys. Let me take a taste, huh? Get a knife and cut it. Okay, here we go. Oh, you can't see my face. I like to see your face. I like your comments too. Thank you. And your support and your care. And all you subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wow. Steak is tender. 2 minutes on each side. Delicious, guys. Delicious. And I must say, my Grandma Ray Don't Play seasoned blend is awesome. Awesome. I know it's a tease, but I haven't came out with it yet. I'm just letting you know it's awesome. It really, really made this garlic steak dish pop. Okay? Alright. Love you. Check out the links below. Subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. And thanks for watching me. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.